love Peru. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the food. I love the people. I like the drinks, the sights, the sounds. These birds, they sound fake. It doesn't even sound real. The park is a dream. Everything's just really dreamy.
This is P and I'm J, and this is your best day. In this series, we'll be taking you day by day through Peru, from the streets of Lima and depths of Sacred Valley to the Inca Trail and peaks of Machu Picchu, all guided by Gate 1.
Gracias. Gracias. Kind of chilly. Oh, it is actually. Yeah, here. Okay. Hola. Buenas tardes. Oh, wow. What is going on here? Wow, wow, wow. This is the entrance to your... Wow! Wow, what is this? This is cool. Bathrobe. Wow, the tub is bigger. The whole shower area is huge. Oh my gosh, what happened? How did we get to be so lucky? It's a whole corner, I think.
We did pay extra for to stay there.
Wow. Well, we have extended stay here. Now we can wave to all the people of Lima. Hello.
Miraflores is a must-visit destination. In fact, it's award-winning. Voted the best neighborhood for dining, shopping, nightlife, coastal views, and more, offering modern attractions, historic sites, and natural beauty all in one place. It serves as a major hub for travelers exploring the city. Today, we'll visit 15 incredible stops and discover the #1 tourist destination in Lima. Starting with Huaca Pucllana. This pre-Inca ceremonial site consists of a giant clay pyramid built with millions of adobe bricks. It was an important center for administration and ceremonies. There is a small but very interesting museum on site. But the coolest part? Your ticket includes a free guided tour, available in English or Spanish, so you can learn the entire history of the pyramid. Huaca Pucllana is one of few, if not only, ruins located within central Lima. Even if you're not that into ancient archaeology, the entrance fee of just 15 soles is absolutely worth it. The site was built by the Lima people, a society that thrived on Peru's central coast from 200 AD to 650 AD. And each brick was made by hand. No molds were used. When in Peru, you'll hear a lot about the Incas, but during our visit, we learned of at least 26 pre-Hispanic civilizations. There's evidence of human sacrifices and an area with more than 2,500 holes that contained offerings to the dead. Hundreds of years passed before anyone rediscovered the mysteries hiding beneath this huge pile of dirt, which interestingly was used as a dirt biking course. It's a work in progress and should be fully excavated within 20 years. If you need a break, there is a restaurant on site which offers views of the pyramid. But no time to stop just yet. We're walking south to our next location. Siete Sopas Miraflores, an ultra-local restaurant serving 7 different kinds of soup with a rotating menu. Is it the fanciest? No. Is it Michelin star? Definitely not. But is it delicious? Oh, yeah. Whatever your preference, you're in luck. Miraflores is considered the #1 neighborhood for dining. From luxurious 5-star restaurants to budget-friendly, Miraflores has something for everyone.
Pilsen, which we love. And what did you just tell me about this place?
As we travel somewhere, we always talk about, would you crave this food? I think I would crave this restaurant. I want to try all 7 soups.
I want all 7 soups. Siete Sopas. And the delicious bread.
Rich, creamy broth with chicken, giant corn, local herbs, spices, lima beans.
There's egg for sure. Lots of cilantro.
So, looks like you're enjoying your soup.
It was pretty good. I almost want another one. It's like really good. It's really good.
How you feeling today?
I feel like my voice is like Jean-Claude. Like it's like really deep. I have a deep voice today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But I'm excited and hoping we'll get to do some shopping and maybe get our snacks.
Okay.
I want a snack pack. A whole pack full of snacks.
Got it.
Yeah.
I packed a snack.
I pack snacks.
Yeah.
Get your wallets ready. Just a 3-minute walk away is Mercado Artesanal. The markets are an explosion of color. Shop after shop,
Wow.
stall after stall, stretching on for several blocks. With spots like the Inka Market, it's easy to see why Miraflores is voted the #1 shopping district in Lima. If you're interested in buying souvenirs, then head here.
It just keeps going and going and going.
Catering to both locals and tourists, the Miraflores Indian Market offers clothing, accessories, art, llamas, and guinea pigs. More than you could ever wish for.
More shopping, more shopping, more shopping, more shopping.
Our tour of Miraflores continues with stop number 6. Walkable and welcoming, make your way to the Malecon for the next stop. Spend time exploring the Larcomar, Lima's gorgeous cliffside shopping center. Besides shopping, you can stop here for dinner, drinks, or the enjoyable surroundings. Or try your skills at the bowling alley, cool down at the cinema, or plan to catch a gorgeous sunset. It's hard to capture just how stunning these views are. Besides the views, this is the best location for outdoor activities. Head to the beach, walk, jog, hold hands, or pump some iron.
Hey, you wanna get a pump? You wanna do some lifts? No?
Feeling adventurous? Eat a crepe. Marvel at the artwork. See the world from a different perspective. Breathe in the Pacific Ocean breeze and soak in the sun with the best views in Lima. Or just stop and smell the flowers. Feeling romantic? Feel the love at Parque del Amor. Read all of the romantic quotes or ogle the central statue. Ideal for lounging, lingering, and lollygagging. Also popular for paragliding.
It's a moon.
Come solo or canoodle a loved one. And leave a lock. Whatever you choose, give yourself time to take it all in.
Do you like the Malecon boardwalk?
Yeah, it reminds me of Santa Monica a little bit.
Yeah, and what's been your favorite thing today?
The soup.
You like the soup. I like the beer, so it's alright. Love Peru. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the food. I love the people. I like the drinks, the sights, the sounds. These birds, they sound fake. It doesn't even sound real. The park is a dream. Everything's just really dreamy.
Yeah.
And just when you think you've seen it all, there's lions, pandas, koi fish, bridges, and a beautiful pagoda. Welcome to Park Chino.
There's pandas. They have koi fish in the park. Okay.
Sit and relax, or run and play.
Hi. Hi, handsome.
Perfect for quiet reflection and cultural appreciation.
It's a nice pavilion.
It's cool. It's hip. It's indoor-outdoor. It's Mercado San Martin, with numerous regional and international food options that are both delicious and reasonably priced.
Yeah.
Endless choices. We settle on ramen and what just might be the best ceviche of our 10-day trip in Peru.
Ese le echas al. Looks good. Mucho gracias.
Oh my god. I'm losing my mind.
Yeah. You want to try? Here, we can switch in a little bit.
I don't want to.
You want to?
Switch. No, we can. Do you want to?
Experts in all things coffee. Look no further than Coffee Bricks, your source for a concentrated caffeine kick that will keep you going all night long.
Less expensive at the other place? Yeah.
Kennedy Park, Lima's version of New York's Central Park. In the center, you'll find Picarones Mary, which was featured on the Netflix documentary Street Food Latin America. There are plenty of vendors selling local arts and crafts, and just as many food vendors selling local Peruvian treats. This park is a great place to wander through, relaxing, or people watch. Feeling lonely? Don't be. You'll be sure to find a new friend here. It's cats galore in Kennedy Park, and most are quite friendly. We love city parks for their greenery, but also for the sense of community. Kennedy Park offers more than just a splash of nature amidst concrete expanses.
Hi, sweetie. You're beautiful.
It's an arena of vibrancy, togetherness, and unexpected joyful surprises.
They all want to eat.
We stop back at the hotel, which makes the cut for the top places to visit in Miraflores. Even if you don't overnight here, come check out the epic rooftop with views in every direction. Locals and tourists alike come to have a meal, enjoy a drink, see the view, or check out the live music. Wherever you stay, Miraflores has a wide range of hotels, from luxury to budget-friendly, providing a comfortable base for exploring the city. Speaking of exploring, we check out Lima's nightlife.
Like a pizza.
Why is it called Pizza Street?
And Did you know? Miraflores is one of the safest areas in all of Lima, making it the preferred choice for tourists and locals alike. Pulsing with the smell of freshly baked pizzas, the energy of the people,
Oh, wow.
the buzz of packed outdoor cafes, rated as the #1 spot to party in Lima,
Exciting.
with a vibrant array of bars, clubs, and lounges.
Gracias. Buenas noches.
Pizza Street is popular for its lively atmosphere. We check it out.
Come on. Let's go.
This is the spot to be.
Buenas noches.
The Elephant Rooftop is open until 3 a.m. Chic, trendy, modern. Here you'll find panoramic views and creative cocktails. Try out the famous Pisco Sour, or simply dance the night away. Feeling nostalgic? Try instead Nostalgia Bar, a retro theme bar that transports you back in time with its vintage decor and music from the 80s and 90s. Dancing not your thing? Check out La Lucha next door, known for their famous Peruvian-style sandwiches. Not into Pisco Sours? Head over to Houlihan's Irish Pub. We spend the night and party away. An epic party continues. And sometimes, if you're lucky, you might just catch some entertainment dancing on tables. If you have one day in Miraflores, now you'll be well prepared. But while Miraflores has a lot to offer, we recommend going beyond. If you have 2 days in Lima, check out the Historic Center, or Barranco, Lima's bohemian neighborhood. If you have 3, 4, or even 5 days, there's an endless amount of beauty in Peru and places to explore. In Pisac, visit the ruins, the traditional Andean market, and the charming rustic village. Tour the agricultural terraces of Moray and the salt pans of Maras. Wander beautiful Aguas Calientes and enjoy a meal by the water. Hike along the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. Be mesmerized by one of the new 7 wonders of the world. And see the mountains touch the sky. Tour Sacsayhuaman Fortress, a superb example of Inca construction. In Cusco, take a walking tour through the bohemian district of San Blas. Get lost in the markets, or just enjoy the view. Whatever you choose, we hope you love Peru as much as we have, and that you give yourself a long while here. Because when you discover a place you truly love, you'll wish you had more time. To all the kind souls that guided us, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and we hope our paths cross again. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out our other 7 on Peru, and join us on the next adventure.